Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling the essential kit so you can act immediately. Strobe LEDs, a DMX controller, fog machine, cables, and PPE. Once you have them, sketch a time sequence tied to your track, mark beat points and desired burst lengths from 0.5 to 2 seconds. Next, position the fog and strobes with safety in mind. Keep at least 1.5 meters clearance from performers and aim strobes slightly off-axis to create depth. Make sure power circuits are rated for the total draw before plugging anything in. Once mounted, secure every fixture with a safety cable and confirm clamps are rated for the load. Then route your 3-pin XLR DMX chain, assign unique addresses, and fit a termination resistor at the last unit so signals stay clean. You program cues in logical chunks: a fade-in to build tension, a burst for the Thunderbolt hit, a short hold for visibility, and a fade-out. While you do this, map intensity values from 0 to 100% and test macros for sync. Make incremental tweaks rather than sweeping changes. You finish by running a low-intensity rehearsal with the soundtrack so you can see timing and make precise offset adjustments measured in milliseconds. Once it looks right, increment intensity gradually and monitor for flicker, overheating, or fog saturation that can wash out contrast. For a full effect, rehearse multiple times with full costume and props. If you hit problems, like flicker or lost sync, first check grounding and cable integrity, confirm DMX termination, and swap in a spare fixture to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.